So hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to introduce our application project called Samuha Connect to you. This system is designed to solve a very common problem faced by community groups or Samuha especially when it comes to managing shared finances. So what are we actually trying to solve? In many community groups, financial management is still done manually. Monthly deposits are recorded on paper, loan records are maintained separately, and calculating the total or available funds become difficult and error prone. So because of this, transparency is low, members don't know their real-time financial status, admin are burdened with manual bookkeeping, and errors and dispute are common. So we introduce you to the solution Samuha Connect, your digital financial partner. It is a digital platform that automates and designs all the financial operation of a Samuha or your local community groups like Yuva clubs, etc. It provides transparency for the members, easy fund management, and real-time access to your financial data. So let me walk you through our application. First, I will show you in the slide, then I will give you the real demo. And it is built for everyone in your community. So what have we implemented in this application is first there is role based access control. So we have divided the roles in admin and member. Admin has the sole authority and the members are the users. So similarly, there is the deposit management, dynamic budget tracking, uh, and communication through notices. So whenever there is a meeting or any important any important meeting, then they can make the notice or create a notice, and the notice will be transferred to all the members in the community. uh, and and like that it is going on. So let me walk you through the app. So let's start. So here is the demo to our application Samuha Connect. So we are going to start it. So firstly, I can log in as member or as admin. So let me log in as admin first, then I will show you the member dashboard. So this is I have created an account called him. So we will be entering as or logging in as admin. We have implemented JWT based authentication, so it is a very secure app. So we can see here is a dynamic admin dashboard which shows active number of loans, pending request, notices, etc. So we can see the notice page here. Different the admin can himself post the notice, or the loan request are also available in the notice, so that it can be seen by every member in the contact list, or every member in the app or in the group. So this is the budget section. Whenever the deposits are complete or the in-hand deposits are complete, the admin will click this button so that the deposit would be registered in the application. And this is the loan request page, and loan request page, so it will show the pending request or active loans, and after the loan has been paid, so he can, or the admin can mark it as paid, so it will be paid and the dashboard will be loaded likewise. And this is the admin page which shows the details. This is the member page which shows the details of the members. So here we have a user called Gim. His phone number is this. I have just um, loaded some values, it is not so important. So we can see here he has borrowed 5,000 rupees, and the total deposits are 14,000. So we have another user, Henry Cavill. He haven't borrowed a single penny, but he had deposited 14,000 rupees, and like that it continues. So let me take you to the admin page and make some loan requests, and we will be back again to the admin page. So let's go to the member page. I think the one member was Henry Cavill, so we will go there. Henry Cavill, and the password. And so this is the dynamic dashboard for the member. It shows total deposits, active loans, total borrowed, and the notices section are same here. So it will show the latest notice like this, and the loan history if he has, or he had taken a wedding ceremony loan. So the members in the community, they took a meeting and decided to reject it. So it will appear like this, and the contacts here are the member in the Aama Samuha or the community will be shown in the contacts, and he can create a request. So let me create a new request. The new request, let me say I have to take a loan of 3,000 for repairing bike. For repairing bike. So we will submit a request, and this would be going as an important announcement for every member in the community group. So let me sign out from here and again log in as admin. So you can create a new account, but I have already created, so I am not done. I am not creating it again. So it will show pending requests and everything here in this dashboard, and it will also show the notices. See, we have just requested a loan for 3,000 rupees for repairing bike, and the status is pending. So we will be going towards the loan request, and you can see that loan management, in under loan management you can see the request made by Henry Cavill, which was 45 second ago for 3,000 rupees. So I can approve it or reject it after having a small talk with the community members. So for now I will approve it, and see it will go as this. And let's say for the example I marked, no, let's go to the admin page, member page first. So let me go to the member page, Henry Cavill, and password. So you can see that the active loans are loaded here. He had total borrowed 3,000 rupees, and the loan history for repairing bike, like this. It will show like this. So now I can sign out from here. Now I will again log in as admin, and let me mark it as paid, and now it will be paid. Yes, now there are no active loans, so it will be continuing at this. So let me sign out. So you may ask me about the stack of this web application. So we have implemented the backend in Java using this framework Spring Boot. So I will post the code to the GitHub and give you the link, so don't worry about it. And similarly, the front end is on React.js. So we have built this entire front end app in React.js, React, and that's all. And I have used Postgres SQL as the database. And that's all, my friend. Thank you.